This video walks you through how to connect Zapier to Monday.com. Start by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click App Connections. This opens the area where connected apps are managed. From there, click the button labeled Create Connection to begin adding a new app to your Zapier account. A connection window will open. In the app search field, type monday.com, then select monday.com from the list when it appears. After selecting it, click Continue to move to the account connection screen. Now switch over to monday.com in a separate tab or window. Inside your monday.com account, open the Developer Center. In that area, select API Token. You will see the option to reveal or copy your API v2 token. Use Show or Copy to access the token. And keep in mind that this token gives Zapier access to your account, so only use your own account details here. After you have the token, go back to the Zapier connection window. You will see a field labeled API v2 token. Paste your token into that field carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. Then click Connect. Zapier will begin verifying the token and creating the connection. This may take a moment, so wait while the system checks that the token is valid and can access your Monday.com account. Once verification finishes, the connection process will complete automatically. When that is done, return to the App Connections page in Zapier, look through your connected apps, and confirm that Monday.com now appears in the list. The status next to it should say Connected. This confirms that Zapier has saved the connection and that the account is available for use. To verify that everything is working, find the Monday.com connection on the same page and click Test Connection. Zapier will run a quick check to confirm it can successfully access your Monday.com account using the token you added. If the test completes successfully, that confirms the connection is active and working as expected. At this point, your Monday.com account is ready to use inside Zapier. When you build a Zap or set up another automation, you will be able to choose this connected Monday.com account instead of adding it again. If you connect multiple accounts in Zapier, make sure you select the correct Monday.com connection when creating automations so actions run in the intended workspace. Your Monday.com account is now connected to Zapier and verified for use in Zaps and other Zapier automations.